Okay, so today we are going to do a second. Which lesson? Yes, we are going to do geography, latitude, and longitude. Okay. Does someone have the book? I think I forgot the book. Okay, so everyone, where's your book? Where are your books? Take them out. I can't see them. What do you mean you don't have the book? Did I tell you that you've got to get the book? Did I give you the timetable? Mohammed Anas, please stand up. You didn't get the book? Ashutosh, Harsh, please stand up. Everyone stand up. Who doesn't have the book, stand up. Whoever doesn't have the book, stand up. Okay. Anas, get out of the class. All of those students who have not gotten the book, they'll please step out of the class. Step out of the class. Get out. Go to the window. Get out. Everyone else, Vishal, do you want to get out? Why are you looking there? Am I teaching here or there? And the southern half is known as the southern hemisphere. They are both equal halves. I did ask you to talk. Did I ask you to talk? Did I ask you to talk? Close your books. Close your books. Did I ask you to talk? I'm teaching. Do you see me teaching? Do you see me reading? Honestly speaking, it wasn't good. I mean, I expected it would be much better, but I mean, somewhere down the line, the kids started losing interest. I was sort of, flummoxed between the lesson. I had forgotten to get my book. I mean, somewhere down the line, I had not accounted for how the students' response would be. I had not really thought, planned properly how they were going to work out, and so the problem was that they were talking in between the class. They were not paying any attention at all. They were clearly not understanding what I was talking about. So yeah, I mean, it wasn't going well. I got very angry in the middle. I shouted and screamed at them. So yeah, I mean, it kept on, going from bad to worse throughout the lesson.
And why do you think you got angry?
So although I thought that I knew what I had to teach, I realized once I had started teaching that I didn't really have a proper plan. So although I know the material, the fact remains that I hadn't planned it out properly, not planned it out, also keeping in mind the students, keeping in mind my students. And as I sort of didn't get the response that I had hoped I would, it sort of frustrated me, and I got angry because I thought they were not responding and they should have responded to the class.
So what can you do differently from next time?
So, definitely I should have planned better. Definitely I should have, thought about how students would have reacted in the class. But I think more than that, what really happened was that since I was not having a good day, since I was angry, I was frustrated, I think I sort of, let that interfere with my classroom behavior. So that is definitely something that definitely should not have happened. I shouldn't have taken my bad day to the classroom and on the students.